Hello, my name is Teacher Jay and today we're going to do your speaking test. But first, can you tell me your name, age, and where do you live? My name?
My name is Benny. I am 8 years old.
I live in
Bình Minh,
Taiwan.
Hanoi.
Are you ready, Benny? Ready?
Yes.
Okay, now Benny here. Feelings. This one is
Happy, sad, hard, go,
excited,
excited, bored, hungry,
thirsty,
thirsty, sick,
tired.
tired.
How are you feeling today? I'm
I
feeling happy, sad. I'm feeling
happy.
Are you hungry?
Yes.
Yes, I am.
No, not.
No, now here. Yes, he is. No, he isn't. Now, is she happy?
Yes, he is.
Is he happy?
No,
He's
he is
bored. Okay, now is she cold?
Z, C, E.
Is he cold?
No, he isn't.
He's
C.
okay. What are the 5 senses? See,
C.
hear,
Here.
taste,
Taste.
smell,
Smell.
touch.
Smell.
Okay. Now here, what can he see?
He can see over.
What can he hear?
Here.
He can
see.
hear a.
Here. Dog.
What can she smell?
She can smell a flower.
What can she taste?
She can
Taste.
taste of ice cream.
What can he touch?
He can touch a ball.
Look around. What can you see? I can see.
I can see
I can see what? TV.
I can see TV.
Okay, TV. Now here jobs.
Doctor, nurse, teacher,
Police.
police,
Officer.
officer,
Firefighter.
firefighter,
Pilot.
cook,
Soccer
player,
bus driver.
driver.
Okay. Now here, is she a doctor?
Yes, she is.
Is he a doctor?
No, he isn't.
He's a.
He is cook.
Are they police officers?
Yes, they is.
They are.
They are.
Are they police officers?
No, they aren't.
They're
They're
firefighter. Now when I grow up, I want to become a here
teacher.
Okay. Now where's the student? He's
He has
home.
her
Food.
soup,
Yeah, soup.
salad, spaghetti, French fry. Steak.
Egg.
Egg. Milk. Cheese. Butter. Yogurt. Ice cream. Banana. Orange. Apple.
Pineapple.
Pineapple.
Grapes.
Cherry.
Straw.
Strawberry.
Peach. What does he want? He.
wants soup.
What does she want?
She wants French fry.
Does she want steak?
Yes, she doesn't.
Does he want steak?
No, he doesn't.
He wants.
He wants spaghetti.
Okay, what do you want? I want.
I want spaghetti.
Do you like ice cream?
No, I don't.
Do you like milk?
Yes, I do.
Yes, I do.
Yes, I do.
This one is
Sure. The red, sugar, salt, gas, diesel, salt, bag,
sneakers.
vinegar,
Shoes.
soup,
What's she wearing? She's wearing
she wearing a
purple
purple, red, and white shoe.
What's she wearing?
She wearing a
Black
black t-shirt,
shirt and
and
pink
pink sock.
pants.
Pants.
Okay, what's she wearing? What's he wearing?
He wearing a white shirt and sock.
Green
Green
pants.
pants.
Very good. What are you wearing, Benny?
I wearing a shirt, t-shirt,
black
black t-shirt, and black pants.
shorts.
Shorts.
Black shorts. Okay, fine.
Yeah.
Okay, bye bye.